Welcome to my Math Class. I'm Mohammed Ali, mathematics teacher. Today we try to solve some question from this book, Cambridge IGCSE and O-Level Additional Mathematics course book. So Pemberton will solve from chapter 9, exercise 9.6. Exercise 9.6, question 1. Solve each of these equations for x greater than equals to 0 degree, less than equals to 360 degree. We'll try to solve question from A to H. Now start the first one. Question number 1, A. Sin x equals to 0.3 degree. So 0.3. So x equals to, we have to write here, sine inverse 0.3. So we'll get here x equals to 17.5 degree. So sine is positive in the first quadrant and second quadrant. So x equals to 17.5 degrees in the first quadrant. If we want to get the result for the second quadrant where sine is positive, we have to subtract 17.5 degree from 180 degree. So finally we get 162.5 degree. Our answer x equals to 17.5 and another answer 162.5 degree. This is the number A. Number B, cos x equals to 0.2. So x equals to cos inverse 0.2. So it will be 78.5 degree. Like the previous one, we have to check the quadrant. Cos is positive in the first quadrant and fourth quadrant. This result is in the first quadrant. So if we want to get the result in fourth quadrant where cos is positive, we have to subtract this acute angle from 360 degree. So we'll get here 281.5 degree. So to answer, x equals to 78.5 degree. Another answer 281.5 degree. Number C, 10x equals to 2. So x equals to 10 inverse 2. So it will come 63.4 degree. So x equals to 63.4 degree. If we check the quadrant, 10 is positive in the first quadrant and third quadrant. So another result where 10 is positive, we will get 180 degree plus 63.4 degree. After addition, we'll get 243.4 degree. So to answer, x equals to 63.4 degree. Another answer 243.4 degree. Another very important math, sin x equals to minus 0.6. So we have to write x equals to, keep minus outside, sine inverse x equals to minus sine inverse 0.6. So it will become minus 36.9 degree. So if we check the quadrant, sine is negative in the second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. If we want to get the result in the third quadrant, we have to add this acute angle with 180 degree. 180 degree plus 36.9 degree. So we'll get here 216.9 degree. Another result in the fourth quadrant. So 360 degree, from 360 degree subtract 36.9 degree, we'll get here 323.1 degree. Answer, x equals to 216.9 degree and another answer 323.1 degree. number 10x equals to minus 1.4. So x equals to minus 10 inverse 1.4. So we'll get here minus 54.5 degree. 10 is negative in the second quadrant and fourth quadrant. So x equals to 180 degree minus 54.5 degree. So 180 degree minus 54.5 degree, we will get here 125.5 degree. Another value where 10 is negative, it is in the fourth quadrant. So from 360 degree minus 54.5 degree, we will get 305.5 degree. Final answer, x equals to 125.5 degree and 305.5 degree. Number, if sine x equals to minus 0.8. So like the previous one, x equals to minus sine inverse 0.8. So we'll get here minus 53.1 degree. Sine is negative in the third and fourth quadrant. So x equals to 180 plus 53. So which value come? It's come 233.1 degree when sine is negative. And another value, x equals to 360 degree minus 53.1 degree. It will come 306.9 degree. Answer, x equals to 233.1 degree and 306.9 degree. So both of these results will get sine negative. G, 4 sine x minus 3 equals to 0. So we have to write 4 sine x equals to 3. So sine x equals to 3 by 4. X equals to sine inverse 3 by 4. So it will come 48.6 degree. Sine is positive in the first quadrant and second quadrant. So this result is in the first quadrant. Another result, if we want to get in the second quadrant where sine is positive, we have to subtract this acute angle from 180 degree. So we'll get 131.4 degree. Final answer, x equals to 48.6 degree and 131.4 degree. Last one, h, 2 cos x plus 1 equals to 0. Cos x equals to minus 1 by 2. X equals to minus cos inverse 1 by 2. So it will be minus 60 degree. Cos is negative in the second and third quadrant. So x equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree. We get 120 degree. And another result where cos negative 180 degree plus 60 degree 240 degree. So x equals to 120 degree and 240 degree. So I believe that everybody understood this maths. Still, if you have any confusion, please contact with me. Please subscribe my channel. For math success, two things is very important. Understand it properly and practice a lot. Thank you, everybody.